Next exercise 7.7 integrals. First we prove some results. One is integral root a square minus x square dx. So this is equals to x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. So to prove this theorem or formula, just we take a equals to integral root a square minus x square dx into 1. So here root a square minus x square into UV rule, integral 1 dx minus derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x minus x square minus 2x 1 dx is x dx. So it is equals to 1 dx is x, so x into root a square minus x square minus minus plus. That is right, minus only 2 will cancel. So here minus x into x is minus x square. But denominator we have root a square minus x square. So we might add a square and subtract a square by root a square minus x square dx. So it is equals to x into root a square minus x square minus by splitting a square minus x square by root a square minus x square dx minus and minus plus a square outside dx by root a square minus x square. So it is equals to x into root a square minus x square and root is root times so root a square minus x square. And this is nothing but I plus a square into 1 by root a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a. And we add some constant of c1. And this is also I. Take minus I to that side. So I plus I is 2I. 2I equals to x into root a square minus x square plus a square sine inverse x by a plus c1. Take I divided with 2. So x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. C1 by 2 you write some constant c. On that side, if you see the problems, first one integral root 4 minus x square dx. So it is equals to, we can write this one root a square minus x square dx. So if you apply the same formula, directly x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square 4 by 2 is 2 sine inverse x by a x by 2 plus a square is 2 square by 2. 2 will cancel, so 2 sine inverse x by 2 plus 2. Similarly, second one, root 1 minus 4x square. Integral root 1 minus 4x square. 4x means 2x 1 square. So first we take substitution 2x equal to t. So dx equals to dt by 2. So you get here root 1 minus 2x whole square, that is 2 square, and dx is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 into integral root a square minus x square. So x by 2 so t by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a by 1 plus c. So it is equals to 1 by 2 into 2x by 2 is x root 1 minus 4x square plus a square by 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4 sine inverse 2x plus c. Next, same model, fifth problem. Integral root 1 minus 4x minus x square dx. So it is equals to, you can write in the perfect squares as well. Minus 4x minus x square is x plus 2 whole square. So minus 4 extra, so plus 4 plus 1 plus 5. And 5 you can write root 5 whole square dx. So answer is x by 2 means x plus 2 by 2. X plus 2 by 2 and root of x plus 2 by square. Again by simplifying you will get 1 minus 4x plus minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is root 5 whole square. 5 by 2. Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x plus 2 by root 5 plus 1. Next, seventh one. Integral root 1 plus 3x minus x square. 1 plus 3x minus x square you can write in the perfect square as 1 plus minus x square plus 2ab 2 into x into 3 by 2 minus 9 by 4 plus 9 by 4. 1 plus 9 by 4 is 1. 1 plus 9 by 4. 13 by 4 minus of these three terms you can write minus of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So by writing here integral 1 root 13 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. You can take x minus 3 by 2 equals to 3 or directly you can write x by 2. X by 2 means x minus 3 by 2 by 2. So the a square minus x square by simplifying again you will get 1 plus 1. 3x minus x square plus a square by 2 is 13 by 4 by 2. Sin inverse x by a. X minus 3 by 2 by root 13 by 2 plus x. So by simplifying 2x minus 3 by 2 by 2 by 4 root 1 plus 3x minus x square plus 13 by 8 into sin inverse 2x minus 3 by 2 will cancel root 13 plus c. Next, second model, integral root x square plus a square dx equals to x by 2 into root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Same, we prove this by integration by parts. Integral root x square plus a square into 1 dx. So it is equals to root x square plus a square into integral 1 dx minus derivative of root x square plus a square is 1 by 2 root x square plus a square, and derivative of x square is 2x. Integration of 1 dx is x. So 2 will cancel. So it is equals to root x square plus a square into 1 dx is x minus x into x square by root x square plus a square. So you add plus a square and subtract a square dx. So root x square plus a square into x minus x square plus a square by root x square plus a square is root x square plus a square dx minus plus a square into integral dx by root x square plus a square. So this is I equals to, and this is also I plus I 2i equals to x into root x square plus a square plus a square into 1 by root x square plus a square is log mod x plus root x square plus a square plus some constant c1. So I equals to x by 2 into root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square plus a square plus c1 by 2 you write down. Only c. The exercise third question integral root x square plus 4x plus 6 dx. So we write this one as x square plus 4x plus 4 x plus 2 whole square plus 2. 2 we write root 2 whole square dx. So x by 2 x plus 2 by 2 root x square plus a square. So by again by simplifying x square plus 4x plus 6 plus a square 2 by 2 log mod x plus 2 plus root by simplifying again we get x square plus 4x plus 6 plus 6. Next ninth one integral root 1 plus x square by 9 dx. So x square by 9 means x by 3 whole square. So x by 3 equals to t. So dx equals to 3 dt. So x square, so it is integral root 1 plus t square dt. So integral root a square plus x square. So x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root a square plus x square plus 6. So x by 3 by 2 x by 6 into root 1 plus x square by 9 plus 1 by 2 into log mod t x by 3 plus root 1 plus x square by 9 plus 6. As the 10th one direct formula integral root 1 plus x square dx. So root 1 square plus x square dx. So x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into log mod 1 plus root 1 plus x plus root 1 plus x square plus 6. Next, the third formula integral root a x square minus a square dx equals to x by 2 into root x square minus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square minus a square plus 6. Then like that only we prove I equals to integral root x square minus a square into 1 dx. So root x square minus a square into 1 dx is x minus derivative of 1 by root x. 2 root x. 2 root x square minus a square. Derivative of x square is 2x. 1 dx is x dx. 2 will cancel. So x into root x square minus a square minus x into x square by x square minus a square. So minus a square plus a square for this. X into root x square minus a square. X square minus a square by root x square minus a square is root x square minus a square dx plus into minus a square into integral dx by root x square minus a square. So I equals to x into root x square minus a square, and this is also I. Minus a square into 1 by root x square minus a square is log mod x plus root x square minus a square plus some constant c1. I plus I 2i. X into root x square minus a square minus a square into log mod x plus root x square minus a square plus c1. y equals to x by 2 into root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square minus a square plus c1 by 2 we write as c. So integral root x square minus a square is x by 2 into root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log mod x plus root x square minus a square. So on this model, fourth one, integral root x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. We can write this one as x square plus 4x. We can write x plus 2 whole square plus 4 extra minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So minus root 3 whole square dx. So it is in the form of integral root x square minus a square. So x by 2, x plus 2 by 2 into root x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus 2 plus root x plus 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square plus some constant. In place of x, we have to write x plus 2. X plus 2 by 2 into, by simplifying again, we get root x square plus 4x plus 1 minus 3 by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus root x square plus 4x plus 1 plus 6. Next, the sixth one also same, root x square plus 4x minus 5 dx. We write in the perfect space as x plus 2 whole square minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 3 square dx. So x plus 2 by 2 into log into root x square minus a square, so x square plus 4x minus 5 minus a square by 2 into log mod x plus 2 plus root x square minus a square. After simplifying it, we get x square plus 4x minus 5 plus 3. Let's take one integral root x square plus 3x. We write in the perfect space x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. So x plus 3 by 2 by 2 into root, by simplifying again, we get x square plus 3x plus minus a square by 2, 9 by 4 by 2, 9 by 8 log mod x plus 3 by 2 plus root x square plus 3x plus 1. Next last one, integral root x square minus 8x plus 7 dx. So we write this one x minus 4 whole square plus 16 minus 16 plus 7 minus 9, so minus 3 square dx. So integral root x square minus a square, so x minus 4 by 2 into root x square minus 8x plus 7 plus a square by 2, 9 minus a square by 2 log mod x, x is x minus 4 plus 2, x square minus 8x plus 7 plus 7.